Hey my loves, welcome back to another mini vlog with me. Okay, so grab your cha, your coffee, whatever you're sipping on right now because I have so much to tell you today. I have been so MIA, I know, I am so sorry, but I swear I have been busy. So you guys know I've been obsessed with watching everything from Cannes Film Festival this year, right? Like glued to my screen, scrolling, saving, screenshotting every single look. And then I came across Hussein Shalagi's collection and oh my God, stopped me in my tracks. The colors, the embroidery, the way every piece just felt like a little piece of poetry. I was completely sold. So obviously, what did I do? I jumped straight onto his website, and you know that feeling when you open a website and you just know you're in trouble? Yeah. That was me. Every single outfit was more beautiful than the last. So colorful, so rich, so detailed. I was screen recording, sending things to my group chat, the whole drama. And then I saw her. The one, like full main character energy, I literally gasped. So yeah, I ordered it on the spot, no thoughts, just vibes. Okay, cut to today, the outfit is here and I'm getting ready with you, so come sit with me while I do my hair. I'm thinking something soft, maybe a low bun with a little volume on top, something that lets the dupatta and the neckline do all the talking. I don't want to overpower the outfit, you know? This piece deserves to breathe. Now let me get ready and show you the outfit and overall look. Wait, are you ready to see the look? 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Okay, you guys, the way it falls, the way it flares, the weight of the fabric, I'm not even kidding, I feel like I've walked straight out of a painting. Oof, I'm draping it really softly over one shoulder so all those florals get their moment. Now I'm gonna head out, set up my camera, and capture some photos and a few reels for you all. I'll show you everything in part 2 of this mini vlog series, so make sure you're subscribed and following because trust me, you do not want to miss those shots.